Hi, my name's Karen Stone, and today I'm going to break down the three main ski areas in Park City. Utah is known for having some of the best powder on earth, and the key feature of Park City, unlike most mountain towns, is the easy access to not one, not two, but three resorts. So let's break them down. Starting with Deer Valley, this is the only ski-only resort in the Park City area. What I love about Deer Valley is that you could stay in multiple resorts or own property that gives you direct access to the slopes. Deer Valley is accessible via the Icon Pass. A perfect day for me is starting at the bottom and working my way up to the top of the mountain, Bald Mountain. I swing by the ski beach for a snack, the Voelkers yurt, the Stein Eriksen Lodge, or St. Regis to Après before making my way down to the giant parking lot at the bottom. There are plenty of options for ski storage all over the mountain as well. And don't forget to try the world-renowned Deer Valley turkey chili and the chocolate chip cookies. And for reference, the highest point of Deer Valley is at Empire Summit and is over 9,500 feet above sea level. There are over 100 runs, 21 chairlifts, and over 2,000 skiable acres. Deer Valley is a great resort to live, eat, and play all in one place. Park City is one of the largest ski resorts in the world, and it's comprised of two different resorts, Park City Mountain Resort and the Canyons. So if you're gonna buy a season pass, get the Epic Pass for access to these, plus dozens of others. Between the two, you've got over 7,300 skiable acres between Park City Mountain Resort and the Canyons, and over 115 groomed trails. Park City Mountain Resort has one base with a variety of chairlifts from the base. The Canyons is like a hidden gem, accessible either at the base of the mountain or via a gondola from Park City Mountain Resort. The Canyons is like a giant playground with incredible skiing and snowboarding runs spread from top to bottom. Most people will be in awe of the views of the Colony, the only residential community on Park City Mountain Resort with multi-million-dollar homes, many with direct ski-in and ski-out access directly to the slopes. It's amazing. My ideal day is to park near the cabriolet for a very eco-friendly commute to the base of the mountain. Then I take the orange bubble or the gondola up, doing a bunch of runs around the dream slopes, and head to mid-mountain for a bite and some amazing views. Then I head down to the ski beach at the base and do a little après around the fire pit at the umbrella bar. The beauty of all three of these is that they are super close together. I'm talking like a few minutes from one to the next to the next. So if you're coming to town and you have a family and one person wants to ski Deer Valley and one wants to ski the Canyon, you can literally do both and still meet up on Main Street for dinner.
Just you and me.